Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing accounts and opening Family Link. This is where control is managed. Sign into your Google account, then add the child account in Family Link so you can set rules remotely. Once done, install Family Link on both devices and grant required permissions like device location and account access. This lets you manage Chrome settings, approve apps, and set basic limits, because Chrome parental controls tie into the child's Google account and device permissions. Next, dive into Chrome supervision inside Family Link to configure browsing behavior. You select the child profile, go to Manage Settings, then Google Chrome, choose between Allow All, block explicit sites, or Only Allow approved sites. Make sure to enable Safe Search to filter explicit results and disable incognito so browsing history is tracked. Once configured, these settings apply across devices where the child uses Chrome, because Family Link enforces supervised browsing. Finish by adding time limits and reviewing activity so the rules stick. Set daily screen time, bedtimes, and app-specific limits in Family Link, then check activity reports regularly to refine allowed sites. Make sure Chrome is synced and the child uses their supervised account, otherwise controls won't apply. If something fails, restart both devices, ensure Family Link permissions remain enabled, and reassign supervision if needed. This clears most sync or permission issues quickly, so restrictions resume working.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.